In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split open Shotcut video editing app on your Windows computer or laptop. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you have one Shotcut program and you wish to open it twice or multiple times, it's pretty simple. First, go ahead and double click on your Shotcut program to open it. Now, once it is open, it's time to duplicate this. To open another Shotcut interface, minimize this, or you can just exit it without closing it permanently and go back to your Shotcut program and double click on it again. As you can see, it will again open another interface, and now here I have two. If I hover over them down here, you can see I have two. So you can minimize this so that you can display them side by side. Let me do so here like this. If you only have one monitor, but if you have more than one monitor, you can extend this to the second monitor like this. So from here, you can edit various or different programs on these two separate interfaces. So that's how you can split Shotcut program on your computer or laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.